Thank you for coming to KSHB.com and checking out the weather blog. Well, we had our first measurable snow on Saturday since January 5th. So how much snow did we get? Well, the average snowfall November through March is about 18.8 inches. And before yesterday, we had 4.5 officially. Whoop-de-doo, 0.4 inches. 4.9 inches is now our yearly total after the under half inch at KCI. A few spots to see one, maybe close to 2 in a few isolated locations. Last year, 5.3. We're still behind last year. Are we done with the snow? Not quite. Let's go through PowerCast. First of all, for today, we're going to have a lot of clouds around, and temperatures will warm through the 30s and into the 40s as the storm system comes in from the northwest. We might have a few rain showers this evening with temperatures in the 40s, and the significant snow will be across Iowa, Wisconsin, and northern Illinois. Then, by tomorrow morning, cold front will sweep through. It'll be windy and cold. We'll fall into the 20s. I don't think we're going to have enough moisture to refreeze. It'll dry out before we have a chance for that. And Chicago finally getting maybe their biggest snow of the winter. Pretty incredible. Now, our storm is going to move off to the east, and it is going to become a monster storm in New England as it rolls through the Midwest and then just gets out of control. 5 to 15 inches of snow are possible from Washington to Boston. Absolutely incredible. But for us, well, this is our winter. Their winter are big storms. Our winter is this. Maybe another little itty-bitty snow thing on Tuesday morning. We'll have to watch it. If it comes in, it could make things a little slick, possibly. But we'll see. Temperatures in the 30s. It'll be another cold day. And so as far as snowfall for the next few days, today through Wednesday, look at that, 6 to 15 inches there from Baltimore to Boston, somewhere in that range. For us, 0.3, maybe a quarter of an inch. That could be a system Tuesday and or Wednesday. There's a little system there. How about spring break? Maybe you want to get away from the snow. Well, here's the upper level pattern this week. We have a ridge in the west in the Rockies and a deep trough in the east and a little trough in the Pacific Northwest. So if you're headed to the southwest, decent weather, warm and dry, some good skiing conditions, sunshine there from Salt Lake City over to Denver. If you're headed down to Padre Island, in that area, mostly dry, but kind of cool to start the week, then warmer. Then over in Florida, mostly dry, but it's going to be pretty cool. Not the greatest beach weather. And then if you're headed down to the Yucatan there, great weather, maybe a brief shower. So overall, not really that bad for spring break. The Northeast and Midwest, though, cold and snow. And for here, a little on the cold side, warming up by St. Patrick's Day. I'll show you that here in a second. So for today, getting to about 38 by noon, into the low 40s, maybe a few rain showers this evening with temperatures right around 40 degrees or so. And then by tomorrow morning, we will drop into the upper 20s. Windy, cloudy, cold. Tomorrow, I don't think we'll have any black ice issues tomorrow morning. It'll have dried out before then. Look at that, Tuesday and Wednesday. What is going on? Temperatures in the 30s, maybe a little light snow. It gets up close to 60 by St. Patrick's Day, but there's a slight chance of a rain shower. Have a great Sunday and rest of your week ahead.